Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about why you should use a website, a cashback website when you're dropshipping. So if in your dropshipping, you aren't using an auto order feature from one of the tools, then what you want to do is process your order. And I highly recommend you do it this way. So auto ordering sometimes doesn't automatically use a cashback website. So manually ordering your products, you're going to actually get more money back. Now, if you have so many products that you don't really care if you lose a few percentages, then go with the auto orders. But in any case, if you're manually ordering, I just want to go through some of the sites that I really like. So these are not in any particular order. I'm just going to go through the ones that I've used and one that I haven't used yet, but I've signed up for and I really like. So the first one is Rakuten. You can see I use this quite often. I've gotten $110 back. So basically what these cashback websites is, you're going to get an order from your customer on eBay or wherever it is that you're listing, Amazon, and then you're going to come here, you're going to go to the store that you listed it from. Let's just say it was Groupon, or it's probably not going to be Groupon, but shoes.com. You click here, it's going to take you to the store, and then you place your order. So then you're going to get 14% cash back by using that. The other one I like, and then all of these have a friend referral. If you don't mind going to the description and looking for the friend referral and using that, that would be fantastic for me. If you can see on Rakuten, if you use it and you spend some money using Rakuten, I'll get $25. And the same for you. If you refer somebody and they use it, you'll get $25. So share it. You can see Be Frugal. I also use this. And again, this one has a friend referral as well. I'm going to log in and you can see I also use this. So most of the time, whenever I show you something, I use it. Not all the time. I'm going to show you one I haven't used yet, but it looks really good. So the same thing, you want to order it, go to the stores, and you're probably asking, well, which one do I choose? Just go through. They all work. They're all pretty simple. One of the newer ones that I just signed up for this year is freeshipping.com. So free shipping brings to the table something that the others don't, and that is actually free shipping. So if you're ordering items on a store that actually would charge you maybe $5.95 for shipping, sign up for free shipping, and it'll actually refund you the amount that you paid for shipping. Now there is a little subscription fee, but for me and all the drop shipping and the ordering I do online, it has paid me. The other thing you can do is file for the return center, and that helps you collect any monies that maybe you feel like that you are owed. So basically how it works is you select the rebate type and then you try to submit whatever order number, whatever it is to, that you feel like you're missing, and then you gather proof. The other thing it has is local cashbacks. It'll help you find local stores that you can get, and then you can take this into the store, like link your card. So that's pretty cool. I just want to show you what I've gotten in the little bit of time that I've used it. And for all of the different websites, some of them will gather coupons, some of them have deals from different stores, so they're all a little bit different. But let's go to the savings center. That is where you're going to see my totals, and basically a check just shows up in the mail, and so I just deposit that check. I did a video on that individual, but you just get 10% back, you get free shipping, and this is a new find, and I'm excited to find out and use it. Next is Honey. I love Honey. Go to join I have a referral. Please use the referral. It'll be great for me. And then you go to add to Chrome. It's free. And you go here up to Honey. It's up on your Chrome extension, and you can see different stores. My Honey Gold balance. Basically, that just means points in the pot are there. And so how that works is I'm using AliExpress, and let's just say I look I go shopping and I forget to sign into a website. Honey will often pop up at the checkout, or you can come up here and you can see it has a little 12 for AliExpress. So then you come over and you just click activate, and so basically it'll put that activation and you'll get that percentage back. It also shows you what the different coupons, it goes around the internet. I mean, Honey is like my shopping assistant, a virtual shopping assistant. So it goes and it finds all the coupons. So when you go to checkout, it actually applies those coupons and gives you the best price. So it's like a no-brainer to get Honey. If you don't do anything else, get Honey for yourself, and it will help you save a lot of money. So Honey, I can show you that my amounts that I have right now. When you join, like sometimes they give you different incentives to get some more. I can redeem this, so it's like $53 worth, but you can just see that it is worth it, totally free. Finally is Top Cashback. Now this is the one I haven't used yet, but let's say for AliExpress, you're ordering something from AliExpress, you can see that there's 6% cash back, so you would come to Top Cashback, and then you would see any online purchase, you get 6%, and then you can see the various other stores that you could choose, whatever you're drop shipping from. So then you just click cash back, it'll give you the cash back that you get from AliExpress. Again, if you do sign up for any of these, I'd appreciate you using the links, but thanks for watching. Okay, so I just want to reiterate that if you're doing manual drop shipping, you're doing all the ordering yourself, it's critical that you not only use a cashback store, but you also have a good credit card. Make sure you watch the video on selecting a good credit card and what that means.